folks, it's me again. It's raining out, like really bad. So I'm gonna do a Monday What's New video, and after this, I'm gonna do a Honda video update. What's new this Monday? Right now, it's Monday, whatever day I post this. What's new? I started painting the front forks of a Honda. Haven't got back to it in a while. I'm probably gonna do a light sanding with like 220, I guess. I don't know, 5 million grit. Just give the little bubbles out. I'm gonna, as soon as I get a day that's nice and dry, I will lightly dispatch another light coat of paint on. I'll do about 3 or 4 times. Sand it down, paint it, sand it, paint it. I haven't got it. I've been finally learned my lesson over the years. Take your time painting. Like if you got to do 3 coats, do 3 coats. But don't rush it. Otherwise, you just get drippy paint. You just put on a heavy coat and it all just drains. So learn my lesson with that over time. Should have learned it 20 years ago. I'm only doing a rattle can job, so it's good. This bike is still sitting here on the floor with a motor attached to it. I got, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 bolts to remove. And I'm pretty sure one of them is going to make my life miserable. Oh, wait, 9. There's one on the bottom. So I'm pretty sure one is going to make... Once I get that motor out of there, I'm going to put it on a piece of wood, cut up this plywood, and I'm going to box the motor up and seal it shut temporarily. Why? You're probably like, why the hell is he putting a motor in a box? Because I want to be able to store it so I can stack stuff on top of it. So I'm going to build a box to put the motor down nice and neatly, cut a piece of wood so I can just... So I can bring in my storage. Because, I mean, if you leave a motor like that, you can't. I mean, it's not too big, it's not heavy. I put handles in the box and I could just stack motors. So I have 3 Honda motors here, and if I figure out what size box to make for it, I'll put it on wheels and I can just stack them, because you can't stack motors like this. So I'm going to put in basically going to crate the motor for temporarily. That one runs. This one is an unknown basket case, and the other one over there is unknown. So with that said, and what else? This week I learned something new. Yeah, I learned how to change the oil on these things. Oh, I mean, I know how to change oil, but not the oil. I learned how to change the oil filter by watching one of your guys' videos out there. And if I could remember which video, I will watch this video. I'll try to remember which video and put a link to it. It was a pretty interesting video. I also learned by some comments with the thing there, if you're changing oil on a big red and you're trying to get the spring to stay, you can either put a little grease on it, the oil filter, or you can flip the bike sideways. So with that said, I'm going to be hauling my other bike in here after this frame is out of the way, because once the motor's out and all the little pieces are off this time, because I think I forgot 1 or 2 bolts in it, I'm going to check the whole frame, make sure there's no stuck bolts. I'm sending this out to get blasted and repainted. I am then probably going to, I don't know, probably order a sticker kit and re-sticker the whole frame, and get the stickers made with the date and all that stuff on it. Other than that, I might just sell the frame, like that 86 frame. I might get it rolling, maybe. I don't know. Somebody wants to build a bike. I don't know. But anyway, with that said, because I have too many frames going on here. So with that said, because the other one, I'd love to keep this one, which is fully intact, and I think it's it's the other 86. But a couple little pieces are like minor rust. But you know what? Who cares? The little trunk lid thing doesn't stay. The little square block is rusted off, but that's a repair for someone else to do. Oh, what did I say? So that's going to be out of my way. When that's out of my way, I'm going to roll in my my running ATV, and I got to give it an oil change. I'm getting oil filter, and once that's done, I'll throw it back out in the yard for the summer. So I'm going to build a shed to put in, because somebody will probably steal the damn thing on me. What else? After that's done, I've been acquiring a few parts. Next week I'm ordering from 223 Cycles, if it's available. I gotta order some cables for the front. I bought some handbrake accessories. I have a bunch here. And I think I'm going to finish painting these forks, and I'm going to pull the 87 out. And I'm going to probably change the front forks on it and change the whole rack. But I'm thinking, before I do that, I'm going to I'm going to send probably 2 front racks to get blasted and repainted, and I'm going to switch the front racks, put the racks on, and see if I can get that running and out of the way. Problem is, I don't want to build another bike and have no place to put it, so I got to put it back in storage if I'm dead running, or I got to leave it right here, take it out, put it back in. I'd rather build. I'm gonna try to build a platform to put the painted 86 on, and I want to see if I can get a front triple tree fork on it. Get the shocks in place, the shock boots on. I guess I gotta order a pair of shock boots. I'm not gonna do a complete shock rebuild right now because they seem like they're fine. I don't really need to do it. I just want to get it rolling. So with that said, I'm doing that. The other thing was the shop moving. I have no idea what's going on. It's back in limbo land again. And what else? I don't know. So I'm rolling with the punches. I am going to try to build another shop on the other side in our yard once it gets all finalized. That said, I'm just playing with that said, the channel is still playing with ATVs. I'm still doing tool reviews on. I renamed Tuesday to Toolie Tuesday just because we all got our own little niche. So my little niche, if anybody wants to steal it, is Toolie Tuesday. I will try to make a video of me reviewing some tool, whether it be old, new, and whatever. I also got a really cool vice grip that I similar in. So there's another one coming up. Yeah, I bought more vice grips. So, and that's about it really. There's not much going on. I haven't really, I don't know, like been doing stuff, trying to work. Been working on, like I've said in previous videos, by the time this video gets uploaded in a couple of weeks, because all my videos, if I haven't said it, are all a couple of weeks ahead. So this Monday will be 2 or 3 weeks ahead here. I'll be doing electrical work at night, and I'm not videotaping that because I don't need any electrical geniuses mocking my electrical thing work. So I don't need any comments from the peanut gallery. I'm doing stuff. I'm just getting it done. Getting it done safely. Not doing any jerry rigging. If I don't know what I'm doing, I don't do it. With that said, then we're waiting for water hookup, much stuff in our house. So I'll be probably doing plumbing and some other shit that I really don't like doing, but has to get done. So not much going on here, and I will probably go and answer a few questions in our video because I know a couple people were like, I had a last video I liked the comment that said you didn't have to destroy the packaging on the Harbor Freight ratchets, and I'm like thinking, well, yeah, I had to because destroying stuff's fun. Anyway, if you're my 1537th or 38th subscriber or whatever it's up to at this current moment, thank you for subscribing. It's awesome. I can't believe I even have subscribers. I can't believe I've been doing it this long. I think I've been doing this almost 3 years now. So I don't plan on quitting. If in the future I get busy, I'll try to get the videos as far out as possible ahead of time so that I can, if I want to take a break, I don't have to like rush to make videos every week. So I'm trying to get I'm trying to get all the tool videos set out for the next like 52. I got about June. I got enough tool videos till July. Just random stuff. So I'm gonna try to get several months of tool videos out. I always Monday updates. Every time I walk in here, I do an update. So that's not a problem. I do that every week, and me doing stuff, I'm always doing something. Whether I get it on camera or not, or I'll show you the end results or finishing, it's not a big deal. So stay tuned, my little vlog channel, and thanks for watching. Toodles.